How to fix Windows laptop turns off when unplugged even with a new battery. Hello everyone and let's get started. Most of the time if the battery becomes dysfunctional instantly, it could possibly be the issue with the settings of the system, connection or laptop hardware. So let's start with some of the changes that you can adapt to. So for the first step, you need to open your power plan. So to change the power settings, click on the search bar and type in Edit Power Plan. On this interface, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now you have to click on Processor Power Management and Maximum Power Processor State. On the On Battery settings, you can change the percentage to 25 or 50% and tap on Apply and OK. Now let's move on to the second step. For that, on the search bar, type in Troubleshooters. Once you tap on Troubleshoot settings, hit enter. Now click on Other Troubleshooters and search for Power Troubleshoot. Tap on the Run button and it can detect any problem associated and solve it. Similarly, for the third step, we can upgrade or update our battery. So for that, you have to go to Device Manager. So once you have opened your Device Manager, you need to search for batteries. Select on your battery driver, right-click on it and update the driver. So once this is done, you can restart your device once to check if the issue is solved. If not, the last solution would be hard resetting your device. So this were some of the solutions that you can try on. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.